At the time when Aam Aadmi Party convener is spending his days in Tihar jail, his party workers staged a massive protest in various parts of the country. Chennai wing of Aam Aadmi Party also held a silent protest against Kejriwal's detention. AAP workers in the capital city of Tamil Nadu today gathered near the Gandhi statue in Marina Beach and staged silent protest against their chief's detention. A protester, Jairam Venkateshan, who is a member of the state campaign committee, raised questions on why corrupt leaders are ruling the country and honest leaders are being sent to jail.
We have assembled here in solidarity of our fight against corruption. Yesterday, our convener Arvind Kejriwal was arrested primarily because we have been fighting against corruption and a defamation case has been filed against him. Time and again, what we have been seeing in this country is that people who are doing corruption, people who are corrupt, are continuously ruling the country, whereas people who are fighting against corruption has to go to jail. Before independence, Gandhiji had to go to jail several times, primarily to get the British out of our country and attain Purna Swaraj.
Jairam also demanded the complete Swaraj and said that AAP will continue to fight against corruption in the country.
Today, Aam Aadmi Party stands and vows for Swaraj and will work continuously to fight these corrupt people and throw these corrupt people out of the system. And as part of it, today we are here in the Gandhi statue, near the Gandhi statue, praying for more strength to fight against corruption. We started with Robert Vadra's case, and last month we also did an expose on how Jayalalitha's Pinami companies benefited from task-mark orders. We will continuously fight against such misuse of power and corruption cases.
Meanwhile, around 100 protesters were detained by the police as they didn't take permission for the protest and also didn't inform about it.
Powered by NNIS.